Hello traders, how we all doing today? So, come to find out, um, I apparently had my microphone muted on the first time I posted. Whoever left that comment, I greatly appreciate it. So, we're going to take two now. Alright, so if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Anything would be appreciated. Positive feedback, constructive criticism, anything. So let's get into it. So I said yesterday that the 429.34 level is going to be a very important level on SPY. And as you can see here, market looked like it was going to head to the upside, but smacked right into the 21 EMA and came right back down. Unfortunately, I was not in that trade because the big thing that I was looking for is, well, my big thing is I don't like to go short near major fib support zones, and because it was above it, there's no telling that I was going to go this much further down. So I was waiting for that big break of this support zone right there. And so my first trade I ended up trying to get in on was from this high right here down to here. I tried to get in at the 38.2. As you can see here, I went down to the 1 minute to get into the trade, came up to it, rejected it. I ended up putting the order in right here. Unfortunately, the order didn't get filled because this little wick right here was so fast that it didn't. I kind of froze up for like a second right after this candle was formed, and I missed out on it. It is what it is. Part of the process of learning how to trade. Beautiful setup. You had increased volume, rejection of 38.2, and just a nice push downward. The other trade I ended up trying to get in on was, where was it? It was this one right here. So again, I drew it from the high point right here, I believe, and to right here. So price came up to here at 428.40. Ended up rejecting it right after. Now I got in at the top of this candle right here. What ended up happening at this trade was that I ended up getting wicked out. My stop loss was set right here, about 20 cents at 428.59. I'm getting wicked out. Took I believe it was 11% stop on that, or 10%, something down the lines of that. And then the other trade I ended up taking today was right down to, where was it? I believe it was right here. I ended up getting into a bad habit again. So it came close to here. I ended up going short right here. Ended up fumbling in right into the position, chasing the position, whatever you want to call it. But trading error. Ended up taking a small loss on that. Not a big deal. Just what kept that in mind. Moved on to the next trade. Price came up to here, hit here, as I just mentioned earlier. Got in short here, got wicked out. And then the price immediately reversed right after. Very annoying. It is what it is. You'll learn. It's all about taking consistent, good setups over time. Just staying consistent with your routine, with the setups, the type of trades that you're taking, and stay disciplined with your rules. That's the big thing. Now, yesterday I said that if 429.34 failed, that I was going to make a move down to 425. Well, it did exactly that. Made a nice move down to 425. Now, I don't try to predict price action here, but it just happens I was right with this one. But for tomorrow, what I'm kind of looking for levels is if price breaks down this 425 level overnight, or tomorrow during the day, I would expect 420 to come quite fast. Whether that's tomorrow or not, I don't know. But I think by the end of the week, if we break down 425, you're going to see 420.17 come. If we break 420.17, there's going to be a lot of pain moving forward. 420.17 is a major level. Now, let's go back to the 4 hour quickly. Major thing I want to watch for during the pre-market and tomorrow is this pivot zone right here. Now the close of this candle was 429.06, so we'll go with that. I'll just type it in. 429.06. All right, so that's what I'm watching for, is a nice bounce off of there. if we start going up from 425, expect a rally to 429, 430. That's what I'm kind of looking for with SPY. These are just future fib levels I'm watching in the future if we start getting some more upside. I don't think that's likely, but you never know. So the other trade that I'm also in at the moment is American Airlines. I ended up buying them today. I bought somewhere around like, I don't know, I think it was right over, yeah, it was like right over here at 12.75. And I'm buying American at. Bought $16 strikes I'm not puts, what am I saying? 16 strike calls expiring for December. So about 80 days on them. So yeah, so I'm expecting a move up on American Airlines. If you go to the 1 year chart, you get a nice move down here. And what you end up getting is boom, boom, here, here to here, and then I'm expecting to move upward. Nice W formation coming about. Very high probability chance that American is oversold, and that's going to make it move upward. I'm just waiting for the price action to show it at this point. You could say I'm a little early to the trade, and I agree. Normally, I wouldn't pull the trigger this early. I just know since I have a very little amount on this trade, I end up buying 3 calls, so it's like $45 for them. So not a major position, and it was with money that's willing to lose. So if the trade goes against me, it goes against me. I'm not too worried about it. But if it goes in my favor, great. Gonna make quite a bit of money on that. But yeah, so that's what I'm watching for American. Now for news tomorrow, what I'm watching is durable goods at 8:30, and you have durable goods transportation at 8:30 as well. So no major market move. Wow, can't talk to you. No major market news tomorrow. So you should be all good to trade at any point. Just wait for the good setups to come to you. Wait for the volume. Wait for everything to check out. So yeah, if you guys found any value in this video, please consider leaving a like, subscribe, and I greatly appreciate